I mean, Joel, you want to take that one?
Yeah, maybe we will have this concern in 2 years.
Exactly.
Right now we have nothing to retire.
Yeah, we need more, right?
Yeah.
Creating these components, that will be a thing, right? So it's not a funny question. That will be a thing at one point. And if I was going to retire, we wouldn't throw anything away, right? Like we would archive it. We would notify the team that it was going to be dead. You know, we would be taking that thing away. And even if we take it away, it's not going to affect their file, because their file, then that will just become parsed in their file and it just sits there as is. So there's a lot to, it would be more about the communication of how we roll out the new thing. And then make sure we archive that so that we never lose history of what we had. But yeah, I can't, it's hard to think of the day when we won't need to make more components rather than putting some away.
I will say that we are excited, and we have not had time to dig into it, but we are excited to dig into the design system analytics, and that would give insight into whether or not, you know, components are being broken or just not being used, and that might inform decisions around, you know, what, like, again, in 2 years from now, but what we might, you know, shelve or change, or, you know, needs a little bit of help. So if you haven't looked into that, I definitely recommend checking out the design system analytics. It's very powerful. Yeah, we're definitely sticking to it.